Hello, we're Stark.
In our industry, we've been doing a lot of, for many years, adopting other infrastructure assets. Adoption of EV charge points is something that isn't on a lot of people's radars, but it's absolutely something that we're doing already and is very much a possibility. And there's a number of benefits to that. When, for example, a charge point operator like us, when we adopt someone's EV charge points, we could integrate it into our existing energy data management platform so that a local authority who might be monitoring all their site's energy consumption levels can also then log in and they can check what their EV charge points are consuming. They can see which ones, for example, are using the most energy. They can split them out from their building consumption figures, so they can, for example, still see if that building's used way more overnight than it should have done, or maybe it was just the charge points being used by their fleet of EVs. So adoption we see as a very sort of new and exciting area. There are a couple of hardware manufacturers whose products can't be adopted. And that's because they were a very early generation and they were locked into those hardware manufacturers' systems. But by and large, almost any hardware now that's being sold can be adopted. So I feel like 5 years ago or 10 years ago when EV charge points were being sold, maybe the standards weren't as understood or as set in stone as they are now. But now we're in a place where, this is going to make myself sound old now. Thinking of a DVD analogy, even DVD's dated now, isn't it? But the DVD of the day has won out against the HD video disc or the laser disc. You know, we know what this DVD, except it was. Now we're on Netflix now.
I think I get what you're trying to say.